Hello everyone, welcome to the Soul Therapy Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the Zodiac sign Pisces 2021 June monthly reading, okay? And if you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay guys, this is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, like that's the situation you are going through currently. Okay, so let's check it out, what's going on with you. I'm just trying to give a lot of have a lot of place, okay, so that you will be able to see. Let's see what Pisces is going through. Pisces is suppressing his emotions and feelings, like not expressing it much into the situation, very much. Okay, Pisces, you feel that you have a past life connection with certain people, certain person. You're waiting for some sort of an abundance into your life, waiting for some sort of an abundance, major breakthrough, abundance you are waiting for. Okay, you feel that a lot of delays are going on into a situation. Okay, lot of delays are happening, things are not happening according to you what you thought of, and you are letting go of certain people, certain situations, certain relationships in life. Okay, you feel that there was a lack of trust into a situation. Okay, yeah, you feel that you need a change you are waiting for, a major change you are waiting for. Okay, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions into a situation. Yeah, I was just checking out, guys. Okay, so yeah, yes, you feel that someone is very controlling, or there has been a lot of control issues related to certain things. Right now you are feeling very controlled right now into a situation, which is really irritating you. Your inner heart says you something, but the outside world says you something else, and that disappoints you a lot, Pisces. Okay, like your heart is somewhere else and your outside world is saying something else. Okay, so that's the problem you are facing, Pisces, currently. Okay, so yeah, wow, I need to shuffle this because it was fallen down. You are waiting for some sort of a new beginning, which is not happening. Universal blockages there, new beginning is not happening into a situation. You feel a lot of fights and problems are going on into your physical world, and that disappoints you a lot. Issues are going on, and that's why you need a lot of change into your situation. Like either fight is going on between head and heart, or else fight is going on around you, with the people around you in a situation. Okay, you want to be happy again, you want to go towards your happily ever after, or towards your happiness. That's the thing. Okay, so yeah, something happened in the past that really disappointed you, or that shattered your life, basically. Okay, I don't know why these cards are like that today. I mean, I am feeling very irritated by this. Okay, but yeah, something happened in the past which shattered your life, which swept you off your feet. Okay, and you need to make a certain decision related to some people in life. Okay, so yeah, who will stay, who will not stay, that's up to you, Pisces. Okay, but you need to make certain decisions. There's a wish fulfillment you are waiting for, which is not happening. It will be happening within next 9 months. Okay, you are holding back your money very very wisely. Okay, like you are balancing your money right now. Okay, yes, there is ending of a pattern, fights, issues. You are going through some karmic endings right now. Okay, so endings are there on the horizon for you, definitely. Okay, you are going to be very happy because you are moving towards your married life, or towards your happily ever after. You are going to take an action towards moving forward, which makes you happy. either a person or a relationship or your married life, or some of you are already married or some of you wants to get married. Okay, so yeah, happiness is on the horizon for you, Pisces. Okay, you want to take a victory into your life, like you want a certain sort of victory into your situation. Okay, but there is a universal blockage because you cannot move right, you cannot move left, because there is a certain blockages into your life. Okay, that's why there's an independent financial freedom. Okay, so you are working towards your financial stability, an independent person overall. Okay, basically my card got swept off, wait for a minute. Okay guys, so yeah, basically a lot of independent, you're working towards your financial independence. That's really cool. Okay, uh, you feel that there is a dominating energy. Okay, either someone's father is dominating, or you want to reach to a higher position of domination, like where you can lead people. That's the thing. You feel that there are a lot of previously you were fearful, now you are fearless. Okay, into a situation, you are waiting for some sort of a new beginning, which is not happening because there is a universal blockage into a situation. Yes, you are disappointed because you haven't moved on completely with the person who left you out in the cold, or you to whom you left out in the cold. That is still disappoints you a lot. That's the situation. You haven't moved on completely yet. Okay, so yeah, you are having sleepless nights, anxiety issues, sadness, pain. You are moving away from sneaky energy, manipulative energy, and a lot of stress, but you have a lot of anxiety issues, sleepless nights. You want to take an action towards moving forward in life, which is not happening, like because opportunities are being blocked right now. Okay, into your life. That's the thing. Let's see what's the life purpose of you. Okay, like what's the life purpose, what's the purpose of your life? Let's see. Okay, well, you might be an author. Okay, or a book writer. Wow, cards are flipping like anything. You are on a right path, you are on a spiritual journey, Pisces. There will be justice served to you. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who needs your help. So you might become charitable as well after going through some major spiritual awakening. Okay, whatever your heart desires is, the angels are supporting you, guiding you, protecting you as your dreams becomes a reality. Wow, some of you might be thinking to travel, going for trekking, or some of you might love pets or animals, and working towards it. Okay, so yeah, school, some of you might have a lot of questions, or some of you might seek answers. You have a lot of questions about yourself, what's happening with you. Okay, and for that you need to meditate a lot. Okay, you have answers within yourself, do not forget about it. We have our own answers in life. Okay, creative expression, some of you might spend time with a lot of creative things. Whatever you love doing. Okay, painting, drawing, it can be anything, but yeah, whatever you love doing. Okay, you inspire young people to learn. Okay, so yeah, some of you might become a teacher as well. Okay, and you become a speaker as well. Your life purpose involves your skills of oration. Some of you might become an orator as well, or might be into motivational speaking of that sort. Let's see what's going on with your love life, Pisces. Let's see what's going on with your love life. Okay, so let's see what's going on with your love life. Okay, separation, some of you might be in a separation and might be dealing with a twin flame connection. The others of you might need to release your ex. Okay, this is the time to clear your ex and move on. Clear your energy and move on. Okay, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Whatever you want, it's up to you. Decide. This is a time of decision making, just not sitting, just not meditating, but taking a decision. This is a time of action. Okay, so yeah, This situation is calling you to have faith. Trust the universe, because you know you might be dealing with a past life relationship, past life person. You have known each other before. You are dealing with someone with whom you are separated because you have known that person before. You might be dealing with a twin flame connection, guys. Okay, so might be that thing. And the others of you might need to release your ex. Pisces, you need to give a relationship a chance. You need to work on your partnership. You need to make an effort to fix it, okay, again. So yeah, it is much needed. You need to travel. You need to disconnect from the world. You need to travel. You need to go on a vacation to have a better perspective about life. Unrequited love, they, you know, the chemistry or the attraction in the relationship is not enough. You need to have that emotional bond. You need to have, you need to rekindle your love or a relationship, okay. That's the basically the thing. You need to go off the control issues. If someone is very controlling into your family or into a situation, you need to let go of those situations. Allow this situation to unfold naturally, okay, because this is the universal call, not your call, okay. So yeah, some of you might be getting to know each other. Some of you might be into the initial phase of your relationship, Pisces. You know, not all of you, but few of you, okay. So you need to know that person. You deserve love. You are lovable. Never think that you are not lovable. You are still lovable, and you deserve much more love and strength and power, okay. So yes, June will be the month of releasing and working on yourself, letting go of control issues, and needing, you know, a vacation or a holiday for yourself, okay. I hope you like this reading, Pisces. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. If you wish to book one-on-one personal reading related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Bye bye, guys, take care.